Hello and welcome back to another video on Lean Meets AI. In this week's video, I'm going to talk you through my first attempt at using an AI agent, specifically an AI agent to help me manage customer feedback. So as I said, first attempt, so I made note of the steps that I took in order to do this, and I'm just going to make sure I have them here in front of me, and I'm going to make sure I go through the steps properly to help you understand what's involved in doing this. So it's a really valuable activity, I think, to set this up, because we all know how important the voice of the customer is when it comes to being a lean organization, when it comes to continuous improvement. The voice of the customer should inform all of that. So this is well worth doing. So step one in order to do this is to collect your feedback from the customer. And in order to do that, I would use a simple Google form. I would build it out or use a template that's already in there, and I would put in whatever questions you want to ask every one of your customers. And by the way, you can ask qualitative as well as quantitative questions now, so open-ended questions, because AI is actually very good at reading open-ended questions. It's very good at plucking out patterns in things like tone and words. So ask whatever questions you want to ask. The second step is to link your Google form to a spreadsheet, because we want all of that important data from every customer coming back into the one place, because that's going to make it really easy for AI to analyze. So we link our Google form to a spreadsheet, and in order to do that, you just go into your Google form. There's a little green button at the top, a little green Sheets icon. You click on that, it says responses there, and then you select your existing spreadsheet if you've already created one, or you create a new spreadsheet to link the Google form to. So again, very, very easy to do. It will walk you through it. So what happens now, every new response that you get from a customer will appear in your Google Sheet without you having to do anything. It's automatic. Then, of course, we want to share our forms with the customer. So in order to do that, you can give them a QR code, you can email them, you can give them a link. There's plenty of ways to get the customers to fill in these forms, and that's really down to you and your business and the opportunities you have to do that. Step 4 is where we connect our sheets to an AI agent. So I tried out two. I tried out Zapier and I tried out Make.com. They're both good. Make.com, I think, gives you more on its free plan, so it allows you to do more things per month or have more requests in there per month. It's also very easy to set up your account, so I went with that. So what it does is it simply connects your apps so that they can pass data and perform tasks without you actually having to do them manually. So when you go into Make.com and you've set up your account, all you do is, again, it walks you through it. You create a scenario. Each scenario has a trigger and actions, and very easy to set up. You give it a prompt, you tell it what it is. So for example, you say you are a customer feedback analyst and I need you to analyze the feedback in these entries, highlight issues, and come up with suggested improvement action. So whatever prompt, something like to that effect. So it's very simple, and then all I do at the end is I say, now here's my email address, can you please send me a weekly report with this information, and it just does it. So every week, Friday evening, we get straight into our inbox the summary of the customer feedbacks, the good and the bad, but we need it all. So hope you enjoyed that. I hope it's of some help to you. Let me know in the comments if you think it's useful, or if you have any more suggestions for using AI agents that maybe you've tried out and you found useful. Let us know. I think we're all learning together in a big way here when it comes to AI and AI agents. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to check in next week for another episode of Lean Meets AI.